Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to claim your money from the Canadian Microsoft Software class action lawsuit. So essentially, if you purchase PC versions of Microsoft MS-DOS, Windows, Office, Word, Works, and/or Excel between December 23, 1998 and March 11, 2010, you may be eligible for compensation from the settlement. You can claim up to $250 for individual licenses or up to $650 in vouchers for volume licenses without proof of purchase. To claim your money, go to this website, thatsweetmoney.ca. Click on Start Your Claim. It'll bring you to this page. There are several steps involved. Click Next. First, you need to choose whether you're claiming as an individual or company. Use this drop-down. I'm going to choose the individual option. Let me scroll down. Here you need to enter your personal details. Let me scroll down again. You need to check these boxes to consent and confirm that you were a Canadian resident as of May 25, 2016, and then click Next. In Part B, you have two choices. The first option is if you purchase standalone Microsoft product. And the second option is if you purchase a PC with Microsoft products pre-installed. In my case, I purchased both, so I'll check both these boxes and click Next. Here it provides you some details on proof of qualification. Let me scroll down. In this section, you need to enter the details of the Microsoft products you purchased one by one. I'll use this drop-down, and then I'll choose MS-DOS or Windows operating system, and then I'll enter the rest of the details. You can then click this button to add more products to your claim. So I entered product number 2, 3, and 4. Let me scroll down. So my total claim is $47. I'll click Next. In Part D, you need to certify that the information you provided is accurate. Check this box. Confirm you're not a robot, and finally click Submit Your Claim, and you'll get a confirmation. But that's pretty much it. Now go ahead and claim your money at thatsweetmoney.ca. Thanks for watching.